Are you tired of struggling with multiple vacuums to clean different floor types? Say hello to the Dirt Devil Multi-Surface Rewind Plus Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner, your all-in-one solution for efficient and hassle-free cleaning. Let's explore why this vacuum cleaner is a game-changer for your home cleaning needs. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Dirt Devil Multi-Surface Rewind Plus Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner Machine into your home. Powerful multi-surface cleaning. Equipped with powerful suction, the Dirt Devil Multi-Surface Rewind Plus ensures effective cleaning across all floor types. Whether you have hardwood floors, carpets, or tiles, this vacuum cleaner tackles dirt and debris with ease, leaving your floors spotless and refreshed. Convenient cord rewind. Say goodbye to tangled cords and messy storage solutions. The Dirt Devil Multi-Surface Rewind Plus features a 25-feet cord that automatically retracts with the touch of a button, making storage effortless. No more wrestling with cords or tripping hazards, simply retract the cord and store the vacuum cleaner neatly out of sight. Versatile cleaning tools. With the removable wand and click lock tools, the Dirt Devil Multi-Surface Rewind Plus offers versatility beyond traditional vacuuming. Easily reach above floor surfaces such as upholstery, shelves, and stairs, ensuring every corner of your home is thoroughly cleaned. Say goodbye to dust bunnies hiding in hard-to-reach places. Advanced cleaning technologies. Experience efficient and thorough cleaning with PowerPass technology and extended life filtration. PowerPass technology prevents dirt and dust scatter on hard floors, reducing vacuuming time and maximizing cleaning efficiency. Meanwhile, the high-performance filtration system traps dirt and debris, keeping the air in your home clean and fresh. Secure and reliable design. Never worry about tools falling off or coming loose during cleaning. The click lock feature securely locks tools into place, providing peace of mind and uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Focus on cleaning your home without distractions or interruptions. In conclusion, the Dirt Devil Multi-Surface Rewind Plus Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have for anyone seeking efficient, versatile, and convenient cleaning solutions. With its powerful suction, cord rewind feature, versatile cleaning tools, advanced cleaning technologies, and reliable design, this vacuum cleaner offers everything you need to maintain a clean and healthy home environment. Upgrade your cleaning routine and experience the difference with Dirt Devil. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.